Hi guys! Lunchtime!
Hi!
Making
Cassava.
cassava cake. Yung ingredients mo, yung cassava cake,
Grated cassava.
grated cassava
We
cake.
got with milk. And we have to put some egg yolk.
You can buy it in the Asian store. And then what else you put?
This one for the topping, for glazing.
How many eggs?
You normally put the eggs to mix into the mixture. There are 5 of them.
5.
For the glazing part, you only need the yolk.
Coconut milk. They're different things.
Yeah, this one's more the consistency.
Coconut cream and coconut milk. So 6 tablespoons
Yeah.
of the cream, coconut cream. You mixed it with the
4, 5. Yeah, you mix it with the egg yolk.
with the egg yolk,
In there.
the rest in there.
Yeah.
Oh, this is for the toppings.
Yeah.
1, 6 then.
Mm-hmm.
2.
And the rest of them goes in here.
5 eggs. So 1 cup of sugar cane. Tapos i-mix mo lang. Yan na. To be continued tomorrow on Rina's kitchen. The next day, ito yung tapos na cassava cake ni Rina. So, put it in the oven, Dai, for how many degrees?
375.
375 degrees, and then for 45 minutes. And then, like at the end,
Then you put another 30 minutes.
after 45, you
Glaze it.
yung anong mixture mo yung pang toppings,
Yeah.
then 5 minutes additional.
No, 30 minutes.
30 minutes additional. Rina's birthday today! Happy birthday, Dad! Hey!
This is the best. Christmas. This is the best.
Christmas na.
Thank you guys.
Oo nga. Yeah. Bakit nadala kayo ng nido? Pang creamier. O ano na namang yung niluluto ni Ate Neneng dyan is sticky rice.
For Biko.
Biko. And then, ano to? Basmati?
Biryani.
Biryani rice, guys. Ano mo yung
Chicken biryani.
chicken biryani? What kind of food is that from country?
That's Arabic food.
Arabic food.
Arabic.
Indian Arabic food. Ano to? Like yung sugar? Brown sugar?
Brown sugar, tapos yung coconut milk. 4 cans of coconut milk.
4 cans of coconut milk and sugar. That's it.
1 cup of brown sugar.
And ito, sticky rice. 1.5 kilo. There's 2.2 pounds in 1 kilo. Well, how do you know that it's done? Pag it's more browner? Or stickier? More stickier than that? Yeah.
Some very special people.
This is a jackfruit.
Philippines style.
This is like pointy.
And it's very, what is tagok? Hindi ko alam. Ba't ako nagtanong? Ha? Sap. Sap? S-A-P? S-A-P. Ah. So there's a lot of sap on the around it, no? So you need oil on your hand. Sticking to you. Yung jackfruit is stick to you. Yeah, may paano pa siya. Hugot line. Tapos ay ilagay. I'm not this one, this is rated.
Kalau mana siya, gabas.
Ayun, tube, may dollar.
Alright. I will hold it.
Kita mo na yung yellow, guys. Oh, yan ang jackfruit. It's very sweet.
Oh my God!
Oh my God. Yummy.
First bite, guys. First bite. Parang nasa Pilipinas talaga tayo. Baka sila na lang mag-ano dairy na. Ang mga bulls dyan. I started it. Ang gusto ni Dairy na. Naman siya pag mag-cut, i-drop talaga yan. Alam mo yung seeds, we're not in seeds as a bulldog.
Ha? Seed?
Yung seeds.
Oh, nandit ko nila.
Wow, busy silang nag-ano. Nangka, oh.
Wala na siyang kamay.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Oh, may ano yan, inom?
Happy birthday,
Dear Rina. Happy birthday to you. Mahahappy na yan siya sa inumin niya.
Ang liver ninyo. Alam nyo ng mga liver niya.
Yung
Trending expression.
here's tinola. Kinilaw. Ano yung mga ano nyo dyan? Ginawa, may egg roll, fruits, may bilo-bilo, agoy na bilo-bilo doon.
Oo, yun. Kasi
Ha?
frozen ito.
Frozen yan? Kakainin mo?
No, this one's already cooked from the stove.
Oh, it's already cooked. Okay. Tapos, may kinilaw, afritada,
I'll set my ass here.
bilo-bilo, banana bread ba yan? Ay, pambuk na ka. Hi guys! We're doing a mukbang. Kita na yung
How
pagkain.
about this one, everybody? That's
That's the best.
Halika na, Tere.
갑자기 내게 나타나준 너. 난 아무 말도 할 수가 없었지. 첫눈에 반한다는 이야기가 널 보는 순간 이해가 됐어. 매번 야야야야야 불러 널 야야야야 내 맘을 고백하려고 타이밍만 보는 나 그런 나를 넌 보며 왜 그러냐고 묻네 너 때문에 I'm going crazy I'm going crazy 무뎌져 버린 내 가슴이 뛰어 I'm going crazy yeah. 시간은 계속 흘러만 가고 기다리다 지쳐 그만 널 놓칠까봐 하지만 성급한 나의 고백을 넌 거절할까 두려워서 매번 야야야야야 불러 널 야야야야 네가 제일 좋아하는 게 뭐냐고 물어본 나 그런 나를 넌 보며 대답 없이 미소만 짓는데 I'm going crazy I'm going crazy 무뎌져 버린 내 가슴이 뛰어 I'm going crazy yeah I'm going crazy 어쩔 수 없는 걸 널 보면 아무런 일도 할 수 없는 걸 I'm going crazy 오늘은 너에게 내 맘을 고백할게 내 맘을 받아줘 영원히 변치 않을 테니 I'm